The banking body UK Finance says that cash will account for just 6% of payments within the next 10 years. So with a greater reliance on technology for payments, how will that affect those with access to just notes and coins? We went to see how financial technology can aid social mobility.
We've accelerated towards a cashless society during the COVID-19 pandemic. But where does that leave those without access to this technology?
According to the World Bank, nearly a third of adults globally don't have a bank account. That's more than 1.7 billion people who mainly rely on cash. The Financial Conduct Authority says the banking sector has helped reduce the number of UK adults unbanked from 1.71 million in 2014 to 1.2 million in 2020.
Traditional financial services companies have been successful in many ways, but they have struggled to meet the needs of millions in underserved communities. So we have got millions of people worldwide who have got no access to bank accounts. We have got small companies who don't have access to the capital they need for support and for growth. And that's where FinTech comes in, because FinTech offers products at lower costs, in a more affordable ways on the mobile phone to those underserved by existing financial services. In addition, FinTech education is key for social mobility.
UK Finance says in 2021, nearly 60% of all payments were made by card. Nearly a third of those were contactless. Cash payments have declined by 62% in 2006 to just 15% in 2021.
It is so important to focus on this now, because we're living in an environment where costs have gone up, inflation is at a 40-year record, and many households in the UK, in fact 40% of households in the UK have the choice between heat or eat, which is completely unacceptable. And therefore financial inclusion has to be a top priority to ensure that even the 4 million people in the UK who've got no bank accounts, get access to bank accounts.
FINTECH Circle and Crown Agents Bank are both working to increase financial inclusion.
Crown Agents Bank is at the heart of social mobility and financial inclusion, especially in some of the hardest to reach countries in the world. Today, we provide our services to remittance companies so that they are able to pay beneficiaries. Think about the core of it, right? Someone sending money back home. It could be for family maintenance. It could be for sustenance. It could be to enable people to set up new businesses. Then we also have a lot of these international development organizations that are sending development aid across the world. What we do is, by removing middlemen, we are able to deliver a lot more of the funds directly to the end beneficiary. A lot of these people are now migrating across to mobile platforms, and we find that's the new ways of actually enabling payments across the world.
What do you think the future looks like?
We've got crypto, we've got digital currencies, we've got central banks that are now getting involved in this entire space. And pretty soon, I think we'll come to a virtual world where all financial services will be enabled.
I think often in difficult economic times, new solutions are being developed which help significant portions of our society. And today we have got fintech companies out there which help women and specifically target and support women on their financial journeys. And we have got companies out there who help financially excluded people, such as the homeless in the UK, which are now able to accept credit card payments and debit card payments when they sell the big issue on the roads across UK cities. So I think we will see more innovation which really services those people in need across our society.